smooth. Alright, as you can hear, we got a goblin bird right over here. We're about to go after him. Last sit of the year for me. I think Jeremy too. And this is probably the bird that we've been after 2 times now, and he's just outsmarted us. We'll set up somewhere a little different and see if we can get him.
Alright, we're about to make a move. Derek, you want to tell me what happened?
The damn bird wouldn't cross the fence.
That's pretty much the long and the short of it.
He gobbled like 100, 150 times. Had him fired up. But he wouldn't cross the fence, so.
We had a farmer over here feeding his cows and they shut him up.
Yeah.
Heard him gobble a few times since, but I don't know if he's going to be getting out of range or not. We're going to try to make a move to the property line. And we went and got some decoys to lay down. We're ready to kill this stupid bird.
Yeah.
Every morning we get ready for school. Daddy would take us there. In a brand new BMW, everybody'd stop and stare. We had the biggest house in town on the money side of the train. He bought it for me and my mother and my sister and my brother and a dog named Cocaine. Yeah. Daddy must have had a lot of friends. They were always knocking on our door. I heard him telling me round the back, 'cause I got what you're looking for. Saw him hide a big Bonner Franklin behind the picture frame of me and my mother and my sister and my brother and a dog named Cocaine. We were living high on the hog. Old man was pushing against the law. People were talking all over town, running down Daddy's name. And me and my mother and my sister and my brother and a dog named Cocaine. One night the sheriff came a-knocking and he made my mama cry. Next day I was in a garden with a brand new suit and tie. I could count on one hand the people standing over Daddy's grave. It was me and my mother and my sister and my brother and a dog named Cocaine. We were living high on the hog. Old man was pushing against the law. People were talking all over town, running down Daddy's name. And my mother and my sister and my brother and a dog named Cocaine. Well, the DEA took the house away, but didn't know where the stash was. Daddy may be dead and gone, but he's still taking care of us. We're down in the Florida Keys, just soaking up some rains. Just me and my mother and my sister and my brother and a puppy named Cocaine.